Hi students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that we are starting lesson number 2, Nani's Walk to the Park, from our English literature book. Yesterday I have done the explanation of half of the chapter. Today I have explained you rest of the chapter, and we have done the word meaning in our English literature copy. Firstly, read the half chapter, then take out your copy and start the word meanings and do it in your English literature copy. Okay? Students, yesterday we have studied till page number 7. Today we will study from page number 8. Not all smiles Nani, only the ones that are important to me. Nani has given some names to the lane. Lane means road, which are important for Nani. The park is not far, but you will have to be a little patient. I want to stop at the lane of friendship, says Nani. Nani says, now the park is not far, but she will stop to the lane of friendship. In the lane of friendship, Nani visits her dear friend. They were girls together, and now they have grown old together. They whisper and giggle. Nani visits to her dear friends. When they were younger, they were girls at that time. Now they have grown old and became ladies. They talk and they silently laugh. The Nani gives her friend a hug and says, it's time to leave. We will now walk through the lane of dreams. Now, Nani gives a hug to his friend and leaves her. And then he says to Venki that he will now go through Lane of Dreams. The Lane of Dreams has more books than Venki's school's library. In the Lane of Dreams has books. They are more than Venki's school's library. The bookseller sells old books for very little money and buys the one that people have finished reading. The bookseller sells old book for a very little, means for a very small amount of money, and buys the one that the people have finished reading. Nani chooses a book and says, let's go. We are almost at the park now. Now Nani takes a book and says that we are almost nearer to the park. Nani chooses a book and they walk down the lane of magic. And now they come to the road of magic. Venki looks up at the big trees that offer shade and feels a cool breeze. Nani shows him Gulmohar, Altamus and Gerol trees. At last they reached the park. They were going through the lane of magic. At last they reached the park. It has been a long time since they left home. Venki looks around and thinks of all the people and places he has seen that morning. Now Venki looks around and thinks of all the people he has met from the morning and visited those places. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. May I come with you next week too? Now, Venki says to Nani that he likes her lanes. Lanes means roads. May I come with you next week too? Now this has been taken from Nani's Walk to the Park by Deepa Balserva. Now, students, take out your English literature copy and start writing the word meanings in it. That is date 13th April 2021, classwork, lesson 2, Nani's walk to the park, word meanings. Then you will make a line in between these two. Number 1 is tumble out. Number 1 is tumble out, fall and trip over each other. Number 2, patient, calm. Number 3, giggle, laugh lightly. Number 4, godis, traditional hand-stitched quilts made of reusable cloth material. You will do this work in your English literature copy, right? And your homework is learn the word meanings of lesson number 2, Nani's walk to the park. Right? Students, don't write this statement in your classwork copy. Write it down in your rough copy or school diary. That's all for today, students. Do your work in your English literature copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, students. Your homework is learn the word meanings of lesson number 2, Nani's walk to the park. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.